Hi everybody, this is Linda and welcome back to Hands That Cook. We're going to make a little something that I know you'll enjoy for the 4th, Independence Day, or any other time you're having a gathering or you just want something to snack on. Now I have hulled and left a little hole and cut the bottom off. These are washed now. Some strawberries, and when you cut the bottom, make sure you cut it as evenly as possible, otherwise your strawberries won't stand up. Now I saved one, just one, to show you how I did it, although you probably don't need to know, but I'm going to show you anyway. I bought a strawberry huller because I didn't want to have to go with a knife and try to get a hole in all of them. So I bought this huller, and you just put it in and twist it, and there's your hole. And then on the bottom, I cut this as evenly as I could. And I tried to stay away from, just the tip, because that's not enough room for them to balance themselves. Alright, now that we've done that, now I've already done this, y'all. But in this bowl, I've got 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 1/3 of a cup of confectionery sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/8, less than an 1/8 of a teaspoon of lemon extract. And I got it all mixed up in here. And I mixed it real well. Now I got a Ziploc bag and I put the mixture into the bag, and I snipped off the end. And I'm going to try my best to get these strawberries filled. It's easier this way. Now you can double this. I mean, you don't have to. The recipe says 16 berries, and that's what I'm doing. I'm not having any guests. We're actually not doing anything but cooking out for the 4th, and I think it'll just be Sam and I. You know how kids are? They make their own plans. so see, if you mess one up, you just fix it with your fingers. I must have cut this one unevenly, but I'll get it fixed. Now you can put as much of this in your strawberry as you want to, but I kind of like it as a topping. Try to get, as big and sweet of strawberry as you can. And because of the holiday, you should be able to, strawberries ought to be plentiful. A little more on that one. There we go. Alright. Next thing, what did I do with them? Here they are. We got some blueberries. And just seep these down in this cream cheese. I'm going to give you the recipe. It'll be down below for what all goes in this cream cheese, because this is called Cheesecake Stuffed Strawberries, and I'm telling you, it tastes like cream cheese. And these are red, white, and blue for the holiday. And you all be careful. Have a safe holiday. Don't do anything crazy. Now the picture I saw only had one blueberry in it, but it just looked like an eyeball to me. Well, these might too, but I'd rather have 2 in there than, I'll try to put 3 on that one. My idea was to put 3 blueberries. My thoughts. So, oop. There you are. All done. Red, white, and blue for the 4th. Now you just cover them and put them in the fridge. And then on the 4th, they'll be all ready for you. Nice and chilled. And isn't it cute? Whoop. Don't worry about the ones that fall. Really, it doesn't matter. You can get them out when you get ready to serve them, or just leave them there. Add a few more to the dropped ones, and oh, I don't like that one. So there you go. Cheesecake Stuffed Strawberries. Simple. Your guests will love them. And they do taste like cheesecake. Look how cute they are. I hope you make them. I hope you enjoy them. The actual cheesecake part will be, well, the directions for the whole thing will be down below. So have a safe holiday. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. I always appreciate that, taking out of your own day to spend time with me. Give me a thumbs up if you like the recipe. And subscribe if you haven't. It only takes a few seconds. Be sure and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So until next time, you all take care, and God bless every one of you.